Yasha just adopted a second dog, and her two-door Mini Cooper isn't really gonna fit two pups. She wants something with a bit more space, but not something too giant. And she wants something that's kind of fun, but she definitely does not want a CVT. With a budget of $30,000, what car should she buy? Yasha, buddy, I have the perfect car for you. Sure, you can go with another Mini Cooper, but that's old news. It's time to look toward the future. It's time to look toward Volkswagen. What you need is a Golf Alltrack. Baked into this little package is all-wheel drive, 4 doors, and a manual transmission. Apple CarPlay, leather-ish heated seats, and enough room in the back that you'll consider getting a third dog. There's literally nothing more you could want out of a car. Sure, the 1.8-liter Turbo 4 isn't going to be the most heart-stopping power plant in the world, but there's plenty to be done in the aftermarket that'll fix that one little issue. For your $30,000 budget, you're probably going to be able to get a car with an absolutely clean, spotless Carfax, and probably on the lower mile side. Definitely be looking somewhere for under 30,000 miles. It's well within your budget. Yasha, my friend, you are so very welcome. I rarely make the rational choice when it comes to what car should you buy, but this time, I know I'm right. For more car buying advice, check out Jalopnik.com.